This is a knee kicker. It's a very dangerous tool. You're capable of kicking this with 5 times your body weight. If you weigh 200 pounds, that's 1,000 pounds of force. And the other part of it, you're engaging it at between 70 to 90 miles an hour. An average carpet layer uses this tool and kicks it 140 times an hour. What do you think that does to your knees, hip, back, even your neck? It's using your knee as a battering ram. You have to keep in mind your knee is very delicate and you need it. You also need your hips. And the injury caused by this tool is significant, and it should not be used at all. It should actually be illegal to sell this tool. It's that dangerous. The government brought attention to this tool in 1990. The Occupational Safety Administration indicated that this tool was unsafe. And since 1990, nothing has been done about it. There are alternative tools out there, and they're faster and easier to use, and they're much safer. Thank you.